everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel and welcome to today's video. First of all, I apologize. There is no lights. There's been no light since morning, so I had to come upstairs to film, but you can still hear the generator, which is why I'm doing the intro and also the outro of this video in my room, because the sound in my room is so much better than in my office. Believe me, you do not want to hear how the generator sounds there. But anyway, today's video is going to be a hair tutorial. I'm going to be showing you guys how I get my big curly afro. I did a poll on my Insta stories between if I should do a tutorial on this hair look or do a tutorial on the silver eye look that I did I think 3 or 4 times now, and you guys wanted to see a hair video. But before we continue, please do me a favor and subscribe to my channel. I'd love for you guys to subscribe to my YouTube channel, and also do not forget to click on the notification bell so that you will always get notifications of whenever I upload a new video. Without further ado, let's get started. Alright, let's get started. So as you guys can see, my hair is wrapped up in a towel, and that is because I just finished co-washing my hair. You don't have to wash your hair, but it is always a good idea to make sure your hair is wet when you style it. No matter what product you use, styling products always work better on wet hair. Let me show you the products I use to co-wash my hair. First product I use is the Mild Moisture Mild Moisture Heal and Hydrate Sheer Butter Conditioner for dry and damaged hair. I got this from Ninja Hair Care and Grow Pouch, where you fill in an online quiz on her website and she recommends products for you to use. If that is still existing, I'm going to put a link in the description box below. The second product I use to co-wash is the Hair Infinity Strengthening Amino Mask. This is sort of like a protein strengthening deep conditioner, but I didn't deep conditioner because I had just literally just deep conditioned like I think a week ago. So I use a combination of these two products to help to soften, condition, and detangle my hair. So usually what I do is right as I put the conditioners in my hair and I detangle, I start to divide and section my hair into big chunky twists. But instead of doing that now, what I simply did was I just sectioned my hair into 4 little sections, and I used hair bands to divide and separate them. The first time I did this look, or the first time I did this hairstyle, I literally just did it because I was looking for a fun and easy way to get a big afro but with still some definition. I didn't want to twist my hair then retwist and all that kind of stuff. So now that you have your hair in a section, all I'm simply going to do is roll off the rubber band. The first thing you're going to need is moisturizer. I am using the Sheer Butter. Wow, the Nigerian is coming out today. I am using the Sheer Moisture Jamaican Black Castor Oil Strength and Relieve hair conditioner. Is that what it's called? Leave-in conditioner. So this is their strengthen and restore leave-in conditioner made with shea butter, peppermint, and apple cider vinegar. This is what I use to moisturize my hair. It's one of my favorite moisturizers. So all I do is I take my finger and I just, so I get a dollop of leave-in conditioner, rub it between my fingers, and apply it to my hair. Then you're going to need your styling cream. Now today's styling cream is an oldie but a goodie, but this is the Cantu Coconut Curling Cream. I absolutely love using this product to style my hair. So the same way I used a dollop from the moisturizer, I'm going to be using a small dollop of this for the entire section of hair. And this is because I don't want to put too much styling cream that it has such a hard hold on the hair. I just want a little bit of styling cream to give the hair a little bit of a twist and a curl. After doing that, I'm just going to take my white tooth comb and comb through to make sure everything is detangled and every bit of the section of hair has, you know, moisturizer and has styling cream. Instead of me to do all those small tiny twists I do, I'm going to do 3 chunky twists. So I'm literally going to take like a big section of the hair and just twist it. Chunky twist, guys. Chunky twist. So we have this big piece of hair section of hair left. I divide that into 2. Again, we want big chunky twists. We don't want small cute dainty twists. We want big chunky ones. Last piece here. Now the important step is getting that rubber band. So you know when I use rubber bands to like section this hair off, get your rubber band back, take your 3 twists, hold it at the base like this, and pack your hair like this. So what I have found by doing this is that this prevents your hair from shrinking, because when the moisture from your hair, you know, evaporates, because when your hair dries, the hair starts to shrink. As it gets drier, hair starts to shrink. So this allows it to be longer, because it like holds it and allows the stretch to, like, it really stretches the hair. That is what I'm trying to say. So basically what I did here is what I'm going to repeat for all the remaining 3 sections of my hair. That's it. Big chunky twist. The only difference is that in front I'm going to do 4 twists, and this last area I'm going to do 3 twists. So big chunky twist, then use a rubber band to kind of just loop it and hold it so that it stretches. Putting them into the little rubber band things. It makes me look like I have pigtails, but I don't care. Next thing for me to do is to use oil. I love to use oil to just trap in all the moisture and make sure that my hair doesn't dry out, even though like the water is evaporating. So I'm going to be using the literal remnants of my Hairfinity Nourishing Botanical Oil. I absolutely love this oil. Like, I remember when I first used this oil, I did not have any expectations for it at all. But as you guys can see, it is literally almost done. One of my favorite hair oils. So I'm going to open it up, take a couple of droplets, press a section of hair, rub it together, and make sure I apply it to the tips and also this way. I have twisted my hair, I've added oil, I've done all the stuff. Now you have to wait. Now if you have a hair dryer at home, you can sit under your hair dryer, dry your hair. But I always prefer to air dry, because it's better, and the heat from a dryer can really damage your hair. So I just like to leave my hair to air dry, and I'm gonna be leaving it in this twist, and I said twists. I'm gonna be leaving it in the twist up until tomorrow morning when I have to get ready and go out. So see you guys then. Hey guys, what's up? So as I mentioned earlier, I'm filming up here because generator noise. My hair has dried, and I also need to trim my ends. My god, I can see the split ends. Alright, to unravel this twist, I'm gonna take some moisturizer or between my hands and use it to moisturize the tips and also to roll off the rubber band. I wanted to do this with like a little bit of moisturizer because the hair tends to dry out. My hair is getting dry for some weird reason. I'm applying the moisturizer to all the strands and all the twists in my hair, and I'm gonna unravel the twist, and I'm also going to like pull them apart a little bit, as you can see, just to add a little more volume to the twist, so that it's not one big chunky twist, but it's like a separated volumized twist. Does that make sense? Anyway, just watch what I'm doing and don't listen to my voice. I don't know how to describe exactly what I'm doing. But basically, I'm unraveling each twist and then I'm separating them and then I'm fluffing it up. I am adding some oil so that I can, you know, nourish and trap in all the moisture because my hair dries out. And basically that's what I'm going to be doing for all the sections of hair. I'm going to be removing the rubber band. I'm going to moisturize, unravel the twist, and then separate them just a little bit, just so that it has that volume and that it has that afro look that I'm looking for. Once you've unraveled all the twists, all that's left for you is to fluff up the hair in the way you like. Sometimes when I do this, I want it to be really big, so I continuously fluff it up. Sometimes I even use a comb to add some volume, but now this really depends on what you want. Do you want it to be really big? Do you want it to be really fluffy? Then if you do want that, just continue to pick at the hair, fluff it up, use a comb to add some volume. But I usually just fluff it up for a little bit. Sometimes I use a comb and then I leave it for, that's it. So this is how I get my curly afro. I hope you guys really enjoyed this video. If you did, do let me know in the comment section below. Do not forget to subscribe to my channel. Click on that notification bell. Give this video a thumbs up because it helps my channel, and do not forget to be awesome. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.